Good morning, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2019 Lexus. This is the NX300. This is diamond black in color. It's got alloy wheels, got the fog lights, it's got the sensors in the front. This car is absolutely brand new in the wrapper. It's got the black with the tan leather seats. This has every conceivable option. Power tilt and telescopic. It's got lane assist. It's got blind spot and cross path. This car has every single toy there is. Power seats, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, cool and ventilated seats, heated seats. This car only has 2,191 miles on it. It's got a satellite radio. This even has navigation and a backup camera. There's your nav, as you can see. This thing is all leather. It's even got a moonroof. This has memory for 2 drivers. It has the upgraded sound system. This car has not seen a person in the back seat at all. This is brand new. Absolutely new in the wrapper. 4-wheel disc, anti-lock brakes. It's got a power liftgate. It's got a backup camera. This is a turbo. This is an amazing vehicle. You're not going to find this car anywhere, folks, but at Firkins. You got to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this car at Firkins.